Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things fitness and lifestyle. We're here to guide you through the maze of health, wellness, and personal growth. With our regular uploads, we bring you a variety of content, from workout routines to nutrition tips, and so much more. We believe in the transformative power of fitness and strive to share that with you. Today, we're diving into a highly requested topic: 10 things you need to know before becoming a gym instructor. The first thing to keep in mind is the importance of certification. In the fitness industry, a certification is not just a piece of paper. It's a testament to your knowledge, expertise, and commitment to your craft. There are several certifications available, from general fitness instructor certificates to specialized ones like strength training or yoga instruction. Each certification has its benefits, providing you with an edge in a competitive field and authenticating your skills to potential clients. They show that you've been trained to a certain standard and that you adhere to a code of professional conduct. But beyond the tangible benefits, certification also represents a personal achievement. It's proof that you've put in the time, effort, and dedication to learn about fitness and how to instruct others safely and effectively. Therefore, before stepping into the fitness industry, make sure you have the right certifications. Secondly, having a genuine passion for fitness is crucial. You see, passion is that driving force, that spark that lights up your dedication and motivation. It's what gets you up at dawn, ready to hit the gym, to sweat, to push your limits, and more importantly, to inspire others to do the same. Passion for fitness is not just about loving to lift weights or run on the treadmill. It's about embracing a lifestyle, a mindset that values health, strength, and endurance. It's about understanding the joy of movement, the thrill of pushing your body to new heights, and the satisfaction that comes from seeing progress. And let's not forget, passion is contagious. Your love for fitness can inspire your clients, stimulate their own passion, and motivate them to reach their fitness goals. Without a love for fitness, the journey to become a gym instructor can be quite challenging. Thirdly, an in-depth understanding of human anatomy is paramount. This isn't just about naming every bone in the body, but rather understanding how different muscle groups interact, how body movements are coordinated, and how various exercises impact these elements. Consider the humble squat, a staple in many workout routines. A gym instructor must understand how this exercise engages the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, as well as the role of the core in maintaining balance. They should be able to articulate how the exercise benefits these muscle groups, and how improper form can lead to potential injuries. Furthermore, an instructor should comprehend the body's physiological responses to exercise, such as increased heart rate and muscle fatigue. This knowledge enables them to develop effective workout routines and provide appropriate advice to their clients. In essence, a gym instructor isn't just a motivator or a guide, they're also an educator, teaching clients how their bodies work and respond to physical activity. A gym instructor must have a robust knowledge of human anatomy to guide their clients effectively. The fourth point to consider is your communication skills. If there's one thing that's as important as knowing the perfect squat form or the most effective cardiovascular routines, it's the ability to convey this knowledge to your clients in a clear and engaging manner. As a gym instructor, you'll be working with people of varying fitness levels, each with their own set of goals. Whether it's helping a beginner understand the basics of weight training or guiding an experienced athlete through a tough workout, your words will be their roadmap to success. Remember, your communication goes beyond just verbal instructions. It includes listening to your clients, understanding their needs, and providing feedback that motivates and empowers them. It's about creating a connection with your clients that transcends the physical aspect of training, fostering a sense of trust and camaraderie. Strong communication skills are a non-negotiable trait for a successful gym instructor. Fifth on our list is the need for patience and empathy. As a gym instructor, you're going to encounter a wide variety of clients, each with their own unique fitness goals and progress rates. It's important to understand that not everyone will advance at the same pace. Some might be fast learners, quickly grasping new exercises and routines, while others may need a bit more time and guidance. This is where patience comes into play. It's about giving each client the time they need to learn and improve. But it's not just about waiting. It's about providing consistent encouragement and support, even when progress seems slow. Then there's empathy. Can you put yourself in your client's shoes? Can you understand their struggles and frustrations? Being empathetic allows you to better connect with your clients, providing them with a more personalized and effective fitness journey. Remember, patience and empathy can go a long way in setting you apart as a gym instructor. Next, let's talk about the importance of business acumen. Now, you may be wondering, what's business got to do with crunches and deadlifts? Well, quite a lot actually. As a gym instructor, your passion for fitness is your drive, but understanding the business side of things can be your roadmap to success. It's about knowing the market trends, understanding what your clients want, and figuring out how to deliver it in the most efficient way. It's about marketing yourself, building relationships, and creating a brand that people trust. It's about having the foresight to make strategic decisions and the courage to take calculated risks. It's about balancing your books and, of course, turning a profit. Because at the end of the day, you're not just a gym instructor, you're a business person. And having business acumen can help you navigate the fitness industry more successfully. Eighth on our list is the need for nutrition knowledge. The world of fitness isn't simply about lifting weights or running miles. It's a holistic approach that includes understanding the fuel that powers these activities, our food. As a gym instructor, you'll often find yourself in a position where your clients look to you for advice on what they should eat to complement their workout routine. A sound understanding of nutrition allows you to offer valuable guidance. You'll be able to suggest the right balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates that your clients need to consume to achieve their fitness goals. Knowing about nutrition isn't just about recommending diets. It's about understanding the science behind it, the impact of certain foods on the body, and how different nutrients interact with each other. This knowledge can significantly enhance your client's fitness journey, helping them achieve results faster and more effectively. A well-rounded gym instructor should have a sound understanding of nutrition. Our ninth point is about the importance of continuous learning. In the vibrant world of fitness, the only constant is change. New research, innovative exercises, and emerging trends are continually reshaping the landscape. As a gym instructor, it's crucial to stay on the pulse of this ever-evolving industry. You see, fitness isn't a static field. It's a dynamic, ever-changing ecosystem of knowledge and practices. Whether it's a new workout routine, a breakthrough in nutrition science, or a novel approach to mental well-being, there's always something new to learn and incorporate into your sessions. Staying up to date isn't just about keeping your classes fresh and exciting. It's about ensuring you're providing the best possible service to your clients. It's about being a leader in your field, someone who inspires trust and respect through their expertise and dedication. And let's not forget, continuous learning is also about personal growth. It's about pushing your boundaries, expanding your horizons, and becoming the best version of yourself. To stay relevant and effective, a gym instructor must always be learning. Finally, let's discuss the importance of self-care. As a gym instructor, it's easy to get caught up in the physical and mental well-being of others. But let's not forget that to be the best version of an instructor, you need to prioritize your own health first. Consider this. An airplane safety procedure instructs you to put on your oxygen mask before assisting others. The same principle applies here. You must first ensure you're in good shape, both physically and mentally, to be able to guide others effectively. Physical self-care involves regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. But don't overlook mental self-care. It's equally important to manage stress, engage in activities you enjoy, and create a work-life balance. As an instructor, you're a role model. Your clients will look at you and think, I want to be as fit and healthy as them. So strive to be the best example you can be. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize self-care. Let's quickly recap the 10 things you need to know before becoming a gym instructor. Firstly, the importance of certification cannot be overstated. This is your ticket to credibility and professional respect. Secondly, a genuine passion for fitness is essential. Without it, the journey can become monotonous and uninspiring. Next, we discussed the crucial role of understanding human anatomy. This knowledge base will allow you to guide your clients safely and effectively. Fourth, we highlighted the necessity of good communication skills. Being able to convey your ideas clearly and motivate others is a key aspect of being a successful gym instructor. Fifth, we touched on the importance of patience and empathy. These qualities will help you connect with your clients on a deeper level and understand their unique challenges. In the sixth point, we underscored the need for business acumen. Whether you're working in a gym or running your own, understanding the business side of things is paramount. Seventh, we pointed out that a solid understanding of nutrition is vital. It's not just about workouts, but also about fueling the body correctly. Next up, we emphasized the importance of constant learning. The fitness industry is ever evolving, and staying updated is crucial. Ninth, we talked about the significance of self-care. As a gym instructor, you must lead by example and take care of your own health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more fitness and lifestyle content. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.